Hello everyone, this is Chemistry 210 CX, DX, EX sections, and just want to share a little bit about this class. I'm pretty sure you have viewed my welcome video. This is the second video I make for this class. All three lab sessions will be run asynchronously. CX and DX lab teacher is Professor John Doyle, and I will be running a EX lab session. All three lab sessions are under a same lecture. I'll be running a lecture synchronously, and we'll meet each other through Zoom. I'm pretty sure you already received my Zoom invitation. The Zoom is going to be on there from 3:30 to 5, starting on Monday, June the 15th. After the lecture, as soon as I get the recording link, I'll send that link to the announcement on Canvas. Speaking on Canvas, check the announcement daily, frequently, and use module and regularly. Module will list all the lecture and lab content. This class has divided into different assessment. There's a lab part. Lab consists of a lab report and simulation activity. And besides that, we do have a Cengage online homework assignment. Due dates are posted there. Please do follow your due dates. Otherwise, you're going to be penalized by a various percentage. Besides simulation, lab reports, online homework, there'll be a few exams, 3 midterms plus a final. All right. Please email me or send me a message on the inbox. I do check the Canvas regularly. Expect me to get a response I'll try to do that within 24 hours. For EX lab, I'll be running a lab, and asynchronously, I will post that video on my Canvas on the EX lab, which I recorded in the morning. Thank you. Let's have fun. Good luck.